Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Lincoln at Midnight. Tonight, I'd like to share with you a couple of coffee cocktails, or at least cocktails with coffee or Kahlua. Which is not this. This is just a liqueur. No, that is lovely French liqueur, I think. Some French, I forget the name of it now. Oh well, now, coffee liqueur or Kahlua liqueur. So, I would like to make a cold brew martini. Yes, cold brew martini. So what I do, I'm going to take my my shaking glass. Yes, shaking glass. I'm going to add, now this is, because I'm using Kahlua and coffee and everything, I've decided to freeze some coffee. So my ice cubes that I'm using are frozen coffee. I don't know if you can see the colour there, the very dark, rich, dark brown frozen coffee. So I'm going to add a couple of frozen coffee cubes to my shaker, just like so. Now this is something. So I add 1 shot of vodka. This means that it doesn't get diluted with water. It gets diluted with more coffee. I mean, and generally speaking, I don't know why this is. I don't know why the science behind it. And so that's 1 shot of vodka. But coffee seems to defrost on a slower rate than water. I don't know if there's some chemical in it or some solution or something. I'm not a scientist, I don't know. Now I've got my Kahlua. I'm going to add 2 shots of Kahlua. Yes, indeed. Now this isn't an espresso martini. It's not an espresso martini. Why? Because it doesn't have sugar. No, the sugar, you're getting all your sugar from the Kahlua. Yes, indeed. So I've got and now so 1 vodka, 2 Kahlua, and 3 cold brew coffee. This is some cold brew coffee. Cold brew, I think I made it by steeping coffee in cold water and let it infuse. Infuse cold brew coffee. I mean, you can, if you're in a rush, get some hot coffee, let it cool down. You know, add your coffee ice cubes if you wish. Yes, this is cold brew coffee. That's 3 shots in here. Very easy. 1, 2, and 3. 1 vodka, 2 Kahlua, 3 cold brew coffee. So, just like so. And then you shake it. So I've got my ice, got my cocktail, and then I shake it. And if you are lucky, if you have shaken it enough, you will get a delightful foamy head. So, there we are. And for a garnish, I don't know if you can see that there, you have a wonderful light head on top. So you take some coffee beans I have here, and just put them, let them sit on top. I've got, what is it? I've got 6 beans here. Just a nice little. And there we have your Kahlua martini, or cold brew martini, sorry. That is delicious. That is absolutely lovely. Very similar to an espresso martini, but not quite. No, it's almost a cheats version of an espresso martini because you add your Kahlua. Now my second Kahlua cocktail, it's called a mudslide. Yes, indeed. So once again, I'm going to take another cocktail shaker. I will be adding some frozen coffee ice cubes. Yes, indeed. And then I put equal parts Kahlua and vodka. So a shot, oh that's not my shot glass, here. Equal parts, so 1 part Kahlua, straight in. 1 part vodka, just and 1.5 shots of Irish cream. I mean, you can get just an Irish cream. It's like a milk and whiskey combination Irish cream. I think Bailey's is a brand name. Yeah, so 1.5 shots I put in here. And a half. Now this is straight in. So, and then once again we shake it. Where's my cap? Here we are. I shake it. Now the Irish cream infuses beautifully with the Kahlua. Now I'm just going to use normal ice for this. Normal ice. Here's my tongs. So here are a couple of cubes. Can't seem to get my hands. That's better. And then you strain it in. Kahlua mud slide. This is good. So if you want your Irish cream to give a little bit of a kick, or but something that equally has a small hint of caffeine, caffeinated cocktails these. That is very creamy. That is absolutely lovely. Yes, indeed. Kahlua, vodka, and Irish cream. A creamy, delicious cocktail. Something maybe after dinner you can enjoy. Cheers, ladies and gentlemen. Actually, I'll finish with my martini. My cold brew martini. Cheers, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you've had a very good week. Until next time, many happy cocktail making sessions. This is quite a bitter taste. This is quite a sweet, creamy taste. If you want a difference between the two. Good night, everybody. Sleep well.